Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Another video I'm having to redo. I don't know what's going on with my way I do it, but thankfully some people told me that the screen just stopped, so hopefully I can redo this. The problem is she needs to change these brown spots brown to black, but it's a PowerClip. And then once it's a PowerClip, she can't do it. So we're going to go to Object, Ungroup. We're going to take our outline away. And see, I don't know what's going on with that red backing. Let's take it and go up to Object again and Group and Ungroup. Take our background away. This is the PowerClip, and you can see that. So the problem is, let me see if the text is still there. And the text is still there. I want to make the text black and move it over. The PowerClip, you can't do anything with it after it's a PowerClip. So we're going to extract the PowerClip. Now, if we move that out of the way, we can just delete this, and now this is just a pattern. So hit P, put that in the center page. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and hit P. But she needs to put this in there. The best way that I know how to do it, I'm going to make a duplicate of this heart, hitting the plus key on the keyboard and moving over. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go ahead and take out sorry about that. Next keyboard I get, I'm not going to have a calculator so close to my delete key. Then take the 3-point curve line and go from that node to that node. Give a little bit of a curve. That node to that node, just give a little bit of curve. Then we can actually get rid of your pen tool. Take this and select it all and go up to the boundary tool and make a boundary around it. I'm going to move it down so you can see it worked. And it did. Now we made a copy, so we don't really need this one anymore. We can hit delete. But now we need to, without moving but nudging, we need to select it all and intersect. And then move that intersect out of the way. Move it back to the heart. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and then I'm going to turn my text back to white so it'll show up. I did to get the whole text. Make it all white. That's what she's wanting to do. This is part 4 of a PowerClip problem. I just made part 4B before I realized I had this problem with the video. So part 4B is going to show her how to turn the brown spots black. That's what she needs to do so she can make her screen for her screen printing, which I know nothing about. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.